today my mom is going to read me my new book. It's called Touch and Feel Farm Animals. Let's get started.
Hey everybody, I'm Mei-Ling's mom, and today we're reading Touch and Feel Farm Animals. Cow. My nose is smooth and you can touch it if you come up close right here. But what I like most of all is a friendly scratch behind the ear. Duckling. I'm a baby duck. You can pet my downy coat. Pretty soon I will grow feathers, which will surely help me float. Horse. My mane is long and velvety. When I gallop, it flows up and down. You can feel it if you ride me when we trot into town. Pig. My hide is tough, my hair is rough, but I am sweet as can be. Pet me softly and I'll wag my tail and squeal quite happily. Sheep. My soft, fluffy fleece poofs out as it grows. Then in the springtime, the farmer cuts it to make clothes.
What a good story. I love feeling all the textures. Thanks so much, Little Hippo Books, for my Touch and Feel Farm Animal book. Thanks so much for watching my researchers. Make sure to subscribe and like my videos. Bye!